Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today I just wanted to show you the progress that I'm making on my next work in progress for Veronica's story, becoming Veronica Diallo. So I'm just trying to actually set out to do what I'm supposed to do. It's gonna be a hard task to do because I have school and other things are occupying my attention, but I'm trying to sit down to actually write stories and do things that are creative. This story is going to be a dual POV, so it's going to follow Veronica and her love interest Shiloh. So I'm hoping that everything will go right with that book and stuff. But I don't know because I feel like I'm doing a lot and I want things to go well, but I don't know. I guess what I can update you on is that I finished my manuscript for Project Odo and everything is going well with that. I sent my book to be reviewed by someone as a beta reader, not someone to write a review for me, just to show what they tell me what they liked and disliked about the book. The beta reader has some tough critiques, which I already knew coming into it that it was gonna be tough because it was my first draft. But I'm trying to not feel so bad about it because it is a first draft, and I understand that it's not gonna be amazing as the end product will be. But I'm just trying to do what I'm supposed to do and not feel too bad about doing things that are stepping out of my comfort zone. Because I had a beta reader before, and then they said the same thing about my previous book that I published. But this was a completely different beta reader, so it was kind of making me feel bad, but I know that I did the right thing and I know that I did what I could do. So if you like watching this video, give it a big thumbs up, comment down below if you're publishing a book and what is it about. And yeah, with that being said, watch the rest of the video. So hi everyone. I'm just showing you a book that I bought a long time ago, but I didn't have like enough time to like sit down and actually read it. So it's called Master List for Writers. It's like a thesaurus, plots, character traits, names, and more by Bryn Donovan. And someone said that it was like a good book. They recommended it on where did they recommend it again? They recommended it on TikTok Shop. So I don't really know all the way, but this is all the stuff that it has on there. And I guess like it will help me to get more ideas and stuff. But I can show you like I was looking at some of the stuff on here and it was very interesting. Like you can see already, positive and neutral emotions. These include but not limited to happiness, love, desire, amusement. Some of those things. And I think I'm gonna read this book and try to learn more about um plotting and character traits and names and more stuff that I can do to better my craft and stuff. I feel like I'm not really motivated to actually do certain stuff, but I need to actually be motivated to like develop my craft and stuff, because like I want to improve as a writer/author.